add money to Revolut. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to add money to your Revolut account. So first of all you have to do is just simply open the Revolut application in your mobile device, or you can also follow the same steps in the web version of the Revolut account in your laptop or your PC. But I'm showing you in the mobile device right now in the application. Or you can download the application or use the web version as per your liking. And once you're there, just simply log into your account using your credentials. And once you're logged in into your account, just click on the three-dot menu icon from the top right corner of the screen. And from there, just go to the account section. And under the account section, you will be able to see different options. Just simply click on savings right here. And under the savings section, you will be able to see the add money option. You just simply have to choose the top-up method, currency and the top-up amount that you would want to add in your Revolut account. And after that, just simply enter your card details and select add money securely. And just enter the amount that you would want to add in your Revolut account and just simply click on save. And this way you will be able to add money in your Revolut account. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos. And I'll see you the next time.